welcome to another video and welcome to Delhi. Today I'm going to show you guys some of the back alleys of Delhi, so I hope you guys enjoy. I'm just right next to the train station. I'm just going to check out some random areas. My hostel's maybe a couple kilometers from here. There's a lot of cool local areas, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Also, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. It only takes a second and it helps me out a lot. Oh, the veg looks amazing here. That's cool. I just stopped by one of these variety shops, by the way, and bought a Coke. Like a, not a liter, maybe 750 milliliter bottle of Coke for 38 rupees, which is, the Indian rupee is about 71 rupees for $1 US at the moment. So about 50 cents, 50 US cents. I think this is the main street back to my hostel. Train station's down there somewhere. But this video is not about the main streets, it's about the back streets. Oh, yeah. Those of you who know me know I like Oreos, and you have to actually search for Oreos. Not all shops have them. Tea, 10 rupees. Toast, 40 rupees. Bread omelette, 40 rupees. For lunch today I had chana masala, which is like a spicy chickpeas, and 2 tandoori roti, 2 pieces of bread, and that cost me 100 rupees total, which is a little over $1 US. But it was a pretty delicious meal for pretty cheap. I'm pretty sure they overcharged me a little bit because the prices weren't really listed. Well, actually they were, but I couldn't read them in English. But maybe they overcharged me. 20 cents or something, who knows. No big deal. Veg, veg pasta, chicken burger, paneer fried rice. India reminds me of China in a way, and I love China. Xiaomian, Fanta, and George Orwell, which is appropriate because he was born in India. Back on the main streets. That's it, everybody, for my tour of the back alleys of Delhi. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.